cruising out yesterday and just landing on the beach.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Wait.
%. 50%. Time remaining 45 seconds. Landing flaps. 0, 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
Okay, we'll work on that.
You gonna bring her in?
Quick. Real well.
No, well, yeah, I pulled up the fly. I'm just saying it just kept going in the grass. Like the landing gear, I expected it to be straight. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Gear up. 0. 50%.
What are they calling you, Al?
Time remaining 3 minutes. 0. 50%.
I just call you wow, man. That doesn't get on. Wow.
50%. 25%. $25, 50%. $25, 50. 1 minute. Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0.
Pull up.
25, 50%. 0.
Ah,
But at least he just wants to fly.
that was the worst landing I've had in a while.
Ah, the south. Oh, yeah.
We might have a little bit of a tailwind.
Nice.
Very good.
Look at those flaps.
It's okay, I got a gun. Whoa! I can work the new airplane.
So is the one that
It's called refurb. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, it's a refurb.
It looked brand new.
right?
Still had a little bit left. It belonged to a business evidently. It still had a little bit left on the contract.
Oh, nice down the runway.
It had Windows 11.
$25, 50%.
Oh, so you got lift. Oh, where?
Oh, low flyby, inverted. Oh, nice. There you go.
25%, 50%.
Need to do that.
25, 50%.
You know,
25, 50%.
Yeah.
well, I'm hoping that, like, what doesn't happen, I think you said happened to you, which is string.
Oh,
So I got 30 grams of that, and then
20,
40,
50, you're down.
you know, somebody else told me that happened to them, and he had to, I thought it was you.
Landing 0.
2 or something.
Oh, well, it usually goes 1 for 1.
25%, 0.
Oh, go ahead.
25, 0.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
That crosswind kind of threw me there.
Booking.
Oh, she's been going like, going back to Minnesota or something.
Oh, no. I did. In the grass, at least. Oh, 4 minutes is up? Alright. It's one of them safe guys. Okay. No, it's not.
There you go.
Up. You're down.
That's what I do. Not, I
25%, 50%. Gear up. %, 50%, 50%. 25%, 50%.
Right, okay.
Left to right.
50%.
Yep, that's a good call. Take it off. Why don't you buy another airplane?
25%, 50%. Gear up. 25%, 50%.
Yeah. For where I used to work.
25%, 50%. 50.
Nice. Good grip. The controls are backwards. If you want to go that way, it's got to be left. Get out of here.
Gear up. 25 to 50%. Disengage. 0. 50%. Time remains 0. 50%. 50%. 50%. 50. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 25. 0. Reverse full.
Pull up, pull up.